Hi, this is Miss Stuckey, and today's video is on comparing and ordering integers. Get your notes page and get ready to take some good notes. So today we're looking at the number line. Notice the number line has 0 and also negative numbers and positive numbers. Some important vocabulary terms that you need to know. First one being opposites. When we talk about opposites in math, we mean numbers that are the same distance from 0. So for example, -6 and 6 would be opposite numbers. Integers is another really important vocabulary term. I'm going to be talking about those a lot in this half of the unit. The integers is a set of numbers, and it's made up of positive whole numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The opposites, -1, -2, -3, and so on. And then also 0. Okay, fill in those terms on your page. Now let's work some examples. For these examples, we want to find the opposites of each number. So if I want to find the opposite of 2, I want to know what number is the same distance from 0 as 2, and that is -2. How about the opposite of 4? That would be -4, and the opposite of 9 would be a +9. Okay, continuing on, another important vocabulary term is the absolute value. Okay, the absolute value is just really a fancy way to say the distance from 0. If I want to know how far is a number from 0. If you write the absolute value of -3, what we do is we write -3 with 2 bars on the side, meaning how far is -3 from 0. So if I look at the number line, you can actually look down here on your page, and if I want to know how far is -3 from 0, well, I could just count, and I would find out that -3 is 3 units from 0. So I could say the absolute value of -3 is 3. Okay, you've got some examples here. Okay, let's look at those and see if we can find the absolute values. Okay, for the first one here is the absolute value of 6. So how far is 6 from 0? Yeah, you're right, it's 6 units. Okay, how about -8? -8 is going to be 8 units from 0. Notice here that when we have absolute value, it's always going to be a positive number. Distance is always positive. The last example here for this part says negative absolute value of 4. Okay, this negative is outside of the absolute value. So if I just work through this to find the absolute value of 4, I get 4. But because I have the negative on the outside, my answer will be a -4. Okay, now in our last example here, I want to order these numbers from least to greatest. I can use the number line to help me do that. I'm going to go ahead and circle here each one. There's 3. I've got -1, -4, and also a +2. So if I want to put those in order from least to greatest, the least number is going to be the number that's the furthest from 0. So here it would be -4, next would be -1, 2, and then 3. Alright, now they're in order from least to greatest. Go ahead and think about the question on the bottom, and then see if you can answer the questions on the back. Thank you for watching.